Hi guys, this is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back. So before we jump into this video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe and share. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this look. So today I'm here to do a quick tutorial for you guys and I hope you guys like it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this Faux Locs. Yes, I really like it. The color is beautiful. I like this vibrant orangish reddish kind of color. The color is really nice. I use 4-pack of this hair and I got this hair from AliExpress. I got 9 packets but I used 4 packets. So this is the hair I got and this is the color. You guys can see this is the hair. I got it from AliExpress and I got 9 packets. I only used 4, so which that's really nice. I can reuse this to do a different hairstyle, like a twist or something. So I just want to come here and show you guys how I create this look and I really like it. If you guys want to know how I get this makeup look, don't forget to follow me on my beauty channel. I'll put the link in the description box. Please go and check it out and subscribe. Support your girl. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it, and if you guys also like the look on my beauty channel, please go there and like, comment and subscribe there and give the video a thumbs up if you guys want to know how I get this look. So I really like this Faux Locs and I really like it. Right now in Holland the weather's a little bit hot, so I can put it in a bun. There's a different way to style this hair, which that is really nice. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you really got you guys do, because I'm loving the color. Like the hair color is, I'm just loving it. So if you guys like this video, let's jump into the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again and give this video a thumbs up. This again Amy. Let's jump into the tutorial. So I only have 2 remains and this is an old twist that I did. So I just want to come and show you guys how I do this. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one of this hair and I'm going to use this to like braid. I'm going to try to get the middle part, make sure the length is straight. I'm going to take this hair, join it with my own natural hair and braid the hair. You're not going to braid it all the way to the end. You're just going to braid it to where your natural hair stop. Like this. Don't braid it too tight because as you guys can see it's very slack. I don't want to put like a lot of pressure on my scalp, so I try to braid it very loose. I'm going to take another hair again and I'm going to braid this one, and I also try not to like pick up my baby hair and tighten it. If the hair is too short to twist, then I just leave it outside. I don't try to like braid it very tight. And this hair is very lightweight. It's not that like heavy. It's very light on the head. So this is what after braiding it. So now it's time to wrap it so you can get this Faux Locs. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take one hair from here. So as you guys can see, I'm only using like two strands of hair, the one I take to braid, and I'm also going to take another one hair, and I'm going to take this side and put it here. Try not to twist, not to move this one, just hold this one very tight, and then you're just going to take this one and wrap it around, twist it around the hair, like wrap it around. Try not to move your actual hair, just hold your hair and just rotate with this one. If you want like the locks to be big, if you want it to like a little bit bigger, you can take two hair and wrap it, but I don't want it to be that big, so that's why I just use like one hair. But you can use like two of this one to wrap if you want the locks to be a little bit bigger. So now that we're almost at the end, what I do is I just braid it. I braid the end. So this is what the ends will look like. I don't want to burn it or put it in hot water, so I just started to braid it, and like that is very easy. So now I'm going to do this other one. I'm going to do the same method. You're going to take the end of this hair and put it like here, hold it, and then use this one to wrap. You're going to do first like one or two wrap at the bottom, and then you're going to continue wrapping upwards. Just make sure you don't move this hair, because if you move this hair, you're going to find out that when you are done, this side is going to be very tight. That is why it's not good to move this hair. You just hold it in one place and just move this one around it. So this is it. As you guys can see, when you don't braid when you don't lock it very tight, it's very easy to move around because it is not that tight. And I leave my edges because I don't want my, like, I leave this side, I leave a lot of hair out just because I don't want my edges to root. So I just kind of leave it. If it doesn't take braid, I just leave it. But it's very easy. What you can do, if you have those hair accessories, you can put it on. So I really like this hair. It is not that heavy, it's very light. So I hope you guys like this video. You can style this in any way you want. You can put it in a high puff, you can style it any style of your choice. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook like page. This is your girl AMIFULLEST, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Peace out. Bye.